Chapter 4. The Holy Trinity. The Technical Sovereignty of LaFerrari. 1. The Philosophy of High-Voltage Combustion. In the high-stakes theater of the 2013 Hypercar Wars, Ferrari stood as the sole defender of the large-displacement, naturally aspirated V12, while competitors looked toward electrification as a means of replacement or environmental compliance. The engineers at Maranello had a different vision. For them, electricity was never intended to be a silent substitute for internal combustion, nor was it a tool for meeting environmental mandates. Instead, it was conceived as a high-voltage catalyst, a tool designed to push the boundaries of mechanical combustion further than had ever been conceived for a road-legal machine. LaFerrari was not merely a successor to the Enzo. It was a technical manifesto. It was a vehicle where every electron was recruited to serve the glory of 12 screaming cylinders. This project was about proving that a hybrid system could be used not to dilute the character of a supercar, but to amplify its most visceral traits. By using electricity to handle low-end torque and the V12 to provide high-speed drama, Ferrari created a power delivery that is both monumental and perfectly linear. 2. The F140FE, the zenith of the V12. At the absolute heart of this project lies the F140FE engine. This 6.3-liter, 6.5-degree V12 represents the absolute zenith of Ferrari's combustion expertise. The raw performance figures are staggering. The power plant produces 800 horsepower at 9,000 revolutions per minute. However, the mechanical redline stretches even further, reaching a staggering 9,250 revolutions per minute. Optimization of fluid dynamics to achieve a specific power output of 128 horsepower per liter without the aid of turbochargers. Ferrari utilized technology directly transferred from the naturally aspirated era of Formula One. Variable intake tracks. The engine uses continuously variable length intake runners. Resonance tuning. These telescopic runners change length in real time to optimize the air column resonance within the manifold. Volumetric efficiency. This system ensures that volumetric efficiency remains at its theoretical peak, regardless of whether the engine is at 3,000 revolutions per minute or its 9,250 revolutions per minute limit. Laminar flow. Every intake and exhaust port is hand-polished to a mirror finish. Scavenging effects. This finish ensures that fluid flow is laminar and unobstructed, maximizing the scavenging effect during the valve overlap period. Structural lightness and friction reduction. The internal architecture of the F140FE is a meticulous study in friction, reduction, and structural integrity. Crankshaft design. The crankshaft is forged from a high-strength steel alloy, deeply nitrided to ensure surface hardness. Reduced inertia. It features lightened counterweights, specifically to reduce rotational inertia. Titanium connecting rods. The connecting rods are machined from forged titanium. Strength to weight. Titanium provides the necessary strength to withstand massive inertial loads at 9,000 revolutions per minute, while being significantly lighter than steel equivalents. DLC coating. The pistons feature a specialized diamond, like carbon DLC, coating on the skirts and pins. Zero friction. This material technology reduces friction coefficients to near zero levels. Valve actuation. The cylinder heads utilize finger-follower valve actuation, a racing-derived system that reduces moving mass compared to traditional bucket tappets. Aggressive profiles. This allows for more aggressive cam profiles and precise valve timing at high frequencies. 3. The architecture of Rory Byrne. The skeletal integrity of LaFerrari is the singular masterpiece of Rory Byrne, the legendary designer behind the Scuderia's most dominant Formula One cars. Byrne's influence is evident in the chassis' multi-material composition, which eschews the traditional single-weave carbon approach for a complex assembly of 4 distinct types of hand-laminated carbon fiber. The carbon composition. Primary tub, T800. The main structure is composed of T800 carbon, a material prized for its tensile strength and stiffness to weight ratio. Safety structures. T1000. In areas critical for passenger safety, such as the sills and door structures, Ferrari utilizes T1000 carbon fiber. Energy absorption. T1000 is chosen for its superior energy absorption properties, ensuring that the car meets the most stringent side impact crash tests without adding the bulk of heavy metal reinforcements. Structural roof. M46J. High-tensile M46J carbon is employed for the structural roof and rear deck. Torsional rigidity. This material provides extreme torsional rigidity while maintaining a weight 20% lower than the Enzo's structure. Structural results. Ferrari's multi-material philosophy resulted in a 27% increase in torsional rigidity and a 22% increase in beam stiffness. This created a platform so stable that the suspension geometry never wavers, even under the most extreme lateral G-forces. Furthermore, in a radical move to lower the center of gravity, the seat is not a separate component but is molded directly into the carbon fiber monocoque. By removing seat rails and subframes, Ferrari lowered the driver's center of mass by 35 millimeters and reduced the overall height of the car to a mere 1,116 millimeters. 4. HY-KERS. The defining achievement. The integration of the HY-KERS system is the defining technical achievement of LaFerrari, separating it from every previous creation to bear the prancing horse. While competitors use motors for all-wheel drive stability, Porsche 918, or to combat turbo lag, McLaren P1, LaFerrari utilizes its 163 horsepower electric motor to sharpen the V12's already razor-sharp torque curve. Torque filling. The primary electric motor is coupled to the rear of the 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, providing an instantaneous torque boost. Software integration. Engineers use this boost to fill in the lower rev range. Linear delivery. This allowed the F140FE engine to be tuned exclusively for high-end power and high-velocity air intake, resulting in a torque curve that is essentially a flat, horizontal line from the moment of initial acceleration. Combined output. The combined output is a monumental 963 horsepower and over 900 newton-meters of torque. Battery and thermal management. The energy for this system is stored in a 60 kilograms battery pack consisting of 120 cells, grouped into modules and assembled in Maranello by the same technicians who build the Scuderia's racing batteries. To manage the thermal load of rapid discharge, the battery is integrated into the chassis floor and cooled by a dedicated liquid circuit. This circuit interfaces with the car's air conditioning compressors to ensure the cells stay within a precise operating window. 5. Aerodynamic synthesis and underbody magic. Thermodynamics and fluid dynamics dictated the car's iconic silhouette. LaFerrari features a system of active aerodynamics that is more complex and integrated than any road car before it. Active exterior elements. Front splitter. Features active flaps that adjust to increase downforce and balance the car against the rear wing's angle of attack. Mobile rear spoiler. A large spoiler is integrated into the tail, deploying only when calculated by the central nervous system to maintain the sleek profile inspired by 1960s 330 P4 prototypes. The science of the underbody. Beneath the car, the aero magic is even more intense. Active diffusers. Motorized flaps change the geometry of the Venturi tunnels. Downforce generation. These manage underbody air velocity to generate up to 360 kilograms of downforce at 200 kilometers per hour. Vortex generators. The underbody features specialized vortex generators that help to energize the airflow. Stability. This ensures that the low-pressure zone remains stable, even as the car's pitch and roll change during aggressive maneuvers. System integration. The entire system is governed by a central computer that synthesizes data from the ESC, the E-Diff, 3 electronic differential, and the EF1, traction control. Synchronization. This ensures aerodynamic balance is perfectly synchronized with tire grip levels, preventing the car from becoming unsettled during high-speed braking. 6. Deceleration and dynamic control. The braking system was developed alongside Brembo to handle the car's extreme kinetic energy. The carbon ceramic discs, measuring 398 millimeters at the front and 380 millimeters at the rear, utilize a specific CCM-R material, featuring a crosslink of carbon fibers for improved thermal conductivity. Regenerative blending. The most impressive technical feat is the seamless blending of the 230 kilowatts regenerative braking effect with the mechanical friction system. Generator mode. When the driver initiates deceleration, the electric motor immediately switches to generator mode. Energy harvesting. It harvests energy to recharge the battery while simultaneously providing a braking force integrated into the vehicle's deceleration logic. Consistency. This occurs even when the ABS is active, a challenge that required thousands of hours of software calibration to ensure that the brake pedal feel remains consistent and tactile. Performance gain. This system provides a 15% improvement in longitudinal deceleration compared to the Enzo, reducing the 200 to 0 km/h stopping distance by 30 meters. Monoblock calipers. The calipers are monoblock units designed to minimize flex under the massive hydraulic pressures. Tactile purity and control. Every mechanical component was designed to eliminate parasitic losses. Transmission. The 7-speed dual-clutch transmission features shifts that are virtually instantaneous. Momentum. The electric motor provides a continuous flow of torque during gear transitions to ensure zero interruption in momentum. Hydraulic steering. The steering system is a hydraulic rack, a deliberate choice to provide the granular, high-frequency feedback required for a 950 horsepower rear-wheel drive machine. Magnetor helical dampers. The suspension utilizes dampers with twin solenoids containing fluid with metallic particles. Variable viscosity. These particles change viscosity in milliseconds when a magnetic field is applied, allowing the car to remain compliant over road imperfections while becoming rock solid during high-speed maneuvers. eDiff3. This works in tandem with the CCM-R system, using an electronically controlled clutch pack to distribute torque between the rear wheels. 7. Cooling architecture and packaging. The cooling architecture of LaFerrari is a feat of extreme packaging. Despite sharing the same wheelbase as the Enzo, the car houses two complete powertrains. High-efficiency radiators. To maintain a compact frontal area, Ferrari utilized radiators with tilted cores. Heat channeling. Hot air is channeled out through a massive vent in the front hood, far away from the engine's primary air intakes. Rear apertures. Deep apertures in the rear bleed heat from the HY-KERS power converters and the V12's exhaust manifolds. Peak output persistence. This relentless focus on heat management allows LaFerrari to maintain its peak 963 horsepower output indefinitely, avoiding the thermal throttling that often limits other hybrid systems. Aerodynamic cooling. The greenhouse canopy is tapered to optimize airflow toward the rear cooling intakes, ensuring the thermal signature of the V12 does not compromise the electrical components even at a standstill. Inconel exhaust. The exhaust system is made of hydroformed Inconel, a nickel-chromium alloy that is incredibly light and resistant to 900-degree gas temperatures. 8. The cockpit. A Formula One interface. Inside the cockpit, the interface is a direct translation of Formula One ergonomics. Steering wheel control. The wheel houses every major control, from Manatino stability settings to ergonomic gear paddles. Digital telemetry. The configurable digital instrument cluster allows the driver to monitor HY-KERS status or V12 telemetry in real time. Acoustic sensation. There is no soundproofing. The raw metallic mechanical symphony of the V12 is transmitted directly through the carbon fiber bulkhead. Weight reduction. Every detail, from chemically toughened glass to the lack of traditional carpets, serves the philosophy of weight reduction. Performance analysis. A specialized telemetry system allows drivers to record and analyze performance data much like a professional racing team. 9. Telemetry analysis. The Fiorano benchmark. The 1 minute and 19 seconds lap time at the Fiorano circuit remains the definitive proof of LaFerrari's technical sovereignty. Analyzing the specific telemetry data reveals how the integration of the HY-KERS system and active aerodynamics translates into raw track performance. Longitudinal acceleration and torque filling. Telemetry shows that the instantaneous torque from the 163 HP electric motor eliminates the traditional dip in the power curve. During gear changes, as the 7-speed dual-clutch transmission shifts, the electric motor provides a continuous flow of torque, ensuring zero interruption in momentum and maintaining a perfectly linear power delivery, high-speed stability, and downforce. At 200 km/h, the active aerodynamics generate 360 kilograms of downforce. Telemetry indicates that the central computer constantly adjusts the front active flaps and rear mobile spoiler to synchronize aerodynamic balance with tire grip levels. This prevents the car from becoming unsettled during the high-speed weight transfers typical of Fiorano's technical sections. Braking efficiency and energy recovery. During heavy braking for the Turn 1 hairpin, the telemetry tracks the seamless blending of the 230 kilowatts regenerative braking effect with the mechanical CCM-R discs. The system harvests energy to recharge the 120 cell battery pack while providing a 15% improvement in longitudinal deceleration compared to the Enzo, corner exit and traction control. Data from the eDiff3 and EF1 track systems show that the electronically controlled clutch pack maximizes traction on corner exit. By distributing torque precisely between the rear wheels, the car can deploy its 963 total horsepower earlier in the exit phase than was possible with purely mechanical systems. 10. Structural mastery, the narrative of carbon. The skeletal integrity of LaFerrari is told through 4 distinct carbon stories. First, visualize the T800 primary tub, a matte charcoal core that provides an invulnerable connection between man and machine, ensuring the suspension geometry remains millimetrica under extreme load. Then, consider the T1000 ballistic weave in the safety sills, a satin-finished shield designed for extreme energy absorption that protects the cabin without the weight of metal reinforcements. Above, the M46J carbon roof and rear deck catch the light with a crystalline gloss finish, providing extreme torsional rigidity while keeping the upper structure 20% lighter than the Enzo. Finally, the specialized prepreg underbody elements manage the violent airflows of the Venturi tunnels. This multi-material symphony ensures that every gram of the chassis is optimized, creating an experience where the vibrations of the V12 are transmitted directly to the pilot, proving that in Maranello, structural honesty is the ultimate luxury. 11. Conclusion. The ultimate expression LaFerrari represents the definitive bridge between the analog era of the great V12 engines and the digital future of electrification. It remains the fastest road car ever to lap the Fiorano circuit at the time of its release, stopping the clock at 1 minute and 19 seconds. It is not just a car, it is the ultimate expression of Ferrari's technical sovereignty, a monument to internal combustion and a masterpiece of kinetic energy. It stands as a reminder that even in an age of electrons, the fire of a V12 remains the most evocative force in the automotive world. Every gram of T1000 carbon, every cell in the battery pack, and every intake valve in the F140FE engine was optimized for a single, uncompromising goal: to ensure that the prancing horse remained at the very apex of the automotive species. The limited production run of just 499 units remains a testament to what is possible when Ferrari decides to push the boundaries of what is possible.
The Extreme Mechanics channel provides an in-depth look at the automotive world, focusing on mechanical innovation within the automotive industry. It highlights the engineers who have driven automotive technology forward, aiming to deliver detailed explanations of car mechanics. It also provides insights into the principles behind automotive engineering. We are going to explore the history of car brands, models, and key figures, beginning with horse-drawn carriages, the precursor to modern automobiles. The narrative progresses through automotive history to the hypercars of today. This historical context provides a foundation for understanding modern advancements in automotive technology. Follow along the Extreme Mechanics channel. Join and subscribe. Do not lose all the future channel's content.